Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. 2 years ago, we released the Land Cruiser 250, going back to the origin to redefine the Land Cruiser. At the end of that presentation, for those of you with good memories, we promised that the 250 was just the beginning. From the early days, Land Cruiser has been a family, with the 250 at the center, 300 at the peak, and 70 as the workhorse. And now, there's a new addition to the family. Ladies and gentlemen, bringing the Land Cruiser to a new generation, the Land Cruiser FJ. The Land Cruiser FJ is now here to bring the Land Cruiser experience to ever more people. The trust and pure functionality that Land Cruiser is loved for. A minimal footprint with a new dimension in diving performance and maneuverability. Capability on a par with the Land Cruiser 70 with impressive wheel articulation. Designed for functionality and customizability. And all this, but now more accessible to a new group of people. And the family doesn't end there. The all-electric Landhopper forms a seamless extension of the car, taking you further than the car's capability alone would allow. Ladies and gentlemen, with the all-new Land Cruiser FJ, we look forward to bringing the adventure of the Land Cruiser lifestyle to a new generation of customers. Thank you very much indeed.